Millions of beverage bottles and cans are thrown away the wrong way every day. But where do they go? Scientists say these containers are one of the biggest contributors to marine litter, polluting the water, harming wildlife, and eventually making their way back to harm us. So how can we stop this? The good news is there's a proven solution. With collection and subsequent recycling rates of 90% and above, Deposit Return Systems, or DRS, helps keep these containers out of the environment by making sure they are returned and recycled, and the materials are used again and again. But how exactly does a DRS work? To explain, we'll show you the journey of a plastic bottle. Let's start here, where bottles are filled, then sold to stores. Those stores pay the product price plus a fully refundable deposit, let's say 10 cents. Depending on local markets and legislation, the beverage distributor will either hold on to the deposit or forward it to a system operator, which is a nonprofit organization made up of retail and industry stakeholders who manage the deposit system. When you buy one of those bottles, you pay the fully refundable 10-cent deposit on top of the sales price. Then, when you finished your drink, you can take your empty bottle back to the store on your next shopping trip to get your deposit back. Easy. Each container has a visual DRS logo and a barcode that carries valuable information, like material type, size, and deposit value. The visual DRS logo and the barcode are important to ensure that the correct full deposit amount is paid back once you bring your container back to any participating store, either via a reverse vending machine or manually over the counter to get your full deposit money back right away. These manually accepted containers will later be counted in an industrial reverse vending machine at a special counting center and sorting center. The valuable information in the barcode is also good for system operators or beverage distributors because it means they are able to see exactly how many containers have been sold and returned per product and producer or importer, resulting in the highest degree of transparency. This is important data to have when assessing the performance of the system down the line. Next, the beverage distributor or system operator will refund the store the deposit. The handling fee, which is lower for manual collection and higher for automated collection, compensates the stores for providing a convenient and easy-to-use return system for consumers. Depending on who owns the collected material, either the beverage distributor or system operator will then make sure that all containers are collected from the store and brought to a counting and sorting center, where they will be sorted and baled, with thousands of other bottles of the same color and quality. Those bales are then sold to recyclers, who ensure that the containers are mechanically processed into recyclable materials and are almost entirely used to make new beverage containers or other food-grade quality products, which are then sold back to you. Now, you might be wondering who pays for all this. Another advantage of DRS is that it aims to operate at the lowest possible cost for everyone involved. You see, a deposit return system is financed through three main sources of revenue. Number one, unredeemed deposits from containers that are not delivered back to the store. Number two, the revenue from the sale of the collected containers. And number three, in a centrally managed deposit system, a small fee, known as an Extended Producer Responsibility, or EPR fee, is paid by beverage producers. In this way, a DRS does not require government funding, which makes it feasible for all countries to implement and reap the rewards.